Russell Westbrook gets his 24th triple-double of the season. He had 26 points, 15 rebounds, 13 assists. Anthony Davis started off slow. He was having a hard time turning the ball over, missing layups, getting pushed out of the way. And the Pelicans, they're actually on a losing streak. He misses the alley-oop. A 4-game losing streak. The Pelicans are not a lock for the playoffs. They could get eliminated. They're the 8th seed right now. They're only 1 game ahead of the Denver Nuggets, and the Nuggets have been winning. They win tonight. This is very scary. As Westbrook throws it down, if you're a Pelicans fan, you have to be terrified of what you're seeing. You might just miss it. You might get hit with the shot clock cheese in the standings. Davis finally gonna start get it going, and his team needs it if they're gonna get back into this one. Nice ball movement, another slam from Grant and the Thunder. They're extending this lead to double digits with that shot off the dribble from Westbrook. Here's the dagger for the Pelicans. They drop 4 straight games in a row as Paul George makes it splash in the corner. Back to the clinch he goes. He likes the clinch, and he's going down to the ground. He's got good ground ratings too, but so does Moses. I'm not scared. Oh, he's going for a submission. He's trying to submit Moses. Oh my goodness, I'm out of there though. Come on, cuz.